Excavation, for the most part, will already be done when you arrive on site, at least the foundation and the anchor. If heavy machinery is available through the municipality, double check that the bridge wasn't over-excavated. This is a common problem with using machinery, and while the machinery still makes the process more efficient and much quicker, it does require a stop work to discuss with the DEIC or your design engineer in charge for potential backfilling solutions, if that is something that you need to do. Another important note for this step is that you should coordinate with the safety manager and construction manager on benching safety. I'll link the excavation safety form, which does require a signature from your technical supervisor, which is going to be your bridge corps or FEIC on site. This is the excavation quality control form. Like I mentioned before, the photo indicates QC photos are required, and the pencil indicates something that is a critical dimension you need to jot down. So our first photo is going to come up with excavating the foundations to the elevation shown on the drawings. That is photo B1L and B1R for left and right. The second photo comes up in step 2, and that's to excavate the anchor to the elevation shown on the drawings. And that is going to come up as photo E1L and E1R. Finally, in step 3, we have our last photo for excavation quality control, which is excavating the soil for the ramp walls, G1L and G1R. It's likely you'll be keeping this form with you for a large portion of the bridge project because you might not get to excavate the ramp walls until significant portions of the anchor or the even the foundation tiers and tower are done, because this can usually be done as a float activity depending on how deep these are. Now you have 2 dimensions to record. You want to record the bottom of the foundation elevation and the bottom of the anchor elevation. And note, this is an elevation, not just a relative height. So we want to know where the anchor and where the bottom of foundation are going to sit relative to our survey, relative to our design drawing set. Also a reminder, like I said before, you need to have your technical supervisor sign off on excavation safety. So I'll link that form again below, but this is something discussed at length in the Suspended Bridge Construction course.